हमारी एक बहुत अच्छी रिलेशनशिप रही है। मधुबाला अपने आप में एक ब्रांड है जिसमें विवियन ने बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन दिया है। तो हम एज ए प्रोड्यूसर्स मैं और सौरभ दोनों विवियन का शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं कि हमारे साथ रहे। ये दूसरी बात है कि उनकी जर्नी यहीं तक की थी हमारे साथ, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि हम विवियन के साथ काम करना आगे बंद कर देंगे। हम श्योर आगे और भी हम शोज़ बनाएंगे और भी काम करेंगे। तो जिस हिसाब से किरदार होगा, अगर उसमें विवियन हमारे साथ फिर बैठेगा तो हम बिल्कुल काम करेंगे।
लेकिन इस शो के चलते आप कई रियलिटी शोज नहीं कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अब जब इस शो में आप नहीं दिखाई देंगे तो क्या रियलिटी अगर पहले आता है तो डेली शो सारा क्या करना पसंद है?
लेट्स लीव इट टू द फ्यूचर। फिलहाल तो मैं 1 महीने के ब्रेक पे जा रहा हूँ। कोई आ रहा है मेरे साथ? So I'm on a 1 month, once I get done with Madhubala, I'm on a 1 month break where I'll spend a lot of time अपने परिवार के साथ, अपने होम टाउन में, बॉम्बे में, पुणे में, मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करूँगा, जो मैं पिछले 1.5-2 साल में मैंने नहीं किया ठीक से। So उसके बाद देखेंगे कि what's God in store।
अच्छा, कहा जा रहा है कि करण भी बहुत शो से जुड़ने वाले, तो जाते जाते कुछ टिप्स या एडवाइस देना चाहिए?
See, I don't think so. There's any confirmation onto this.
आपने फाइनल कर लिया?
रूमर।
अभी जैसे मैंने बताया कि भी बहुत सारा काम बाकी है। किस तरीके की स्टोरी होगी, किस तरीके के किरदार होंगे, उस किरदार में कौन फिट बैठेगा, उसमें करणवीर बोरा है या ए और बी या सी है, ये अभी थोड़ा कहना मुश्किल है। बट जो भी इस किरदार को अच्छी तरीके से निभा पाएगा हम उसी को लेंगे, जिसका मुझे लगता है कि हम लोग अगले हफ्ते आपको इसके बारे में ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी दे पाएंगे।
When are you gonna try your luck in Bollywood?
That's what I said. I'm not predicting the future. Let's see what God's got in store.
But are you eager to get into Bollywood also?
I leave it on my destiny.
As in?
As in my destiny?
But it's like destiny is meant for some another work because we build our destiny in our own self. So are you just focused towards it?
Obviously, which actor in this industry would say no to films? I said I leave it to my destiny.
Okay.
And it's a very big statement or a saying to say by an actor. I'm a very small actor. I'm a small time actor, and I should not be saying that I will make my own destiny. I think there's only one Almighty in this world who makes everyone's destiny. You just follow it. It is just a saying. It's said in poetry. There's nothing in real life called you making your destiny yourself.
But are you materialistic freak at the end of the day?
Sorry?
Materialistic freak?
I have never been a materialistic guy. I have.
Why you don't want money for the film? No, of course यार, मतलब पैसा जो काम पैसे के लिए किया जाता है, और हर चीज़ को उसी हिसाब से चुनना चाहिए जिस हिसाब से काम होता है। I'm sure जितना इम्पोर्टेंट काम है उतना इम्पोर्टेंट पैसा है, बट एक बैलेंस होना बहुत ज़रूरी है।
Exactly.
तो मुझे लगता नहीं है विमेन को इतनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होनी चाहिए।
I shouldn't have a problem. I've never had these issues.
You never asked me the money for sure. मुझे मालूम नहीं आ रहा किससे मांगेगा।
So it's coming from a producer, so you guys know it well now.
क्या बहुत छोटे एक्टर है, लेकिन शो में एक बहुत ही पॉपुलर एक्टर है, कितना मिस करने वाले आरके के साथ?
See, it's got into my blood, and it's very difficult to take it out of my body. So RK will always remain closest to my heart because it's one of the bestest character, and I always thank him and the entire team of Madhubala and Colors, and obviously Mr. Saurabh Tiwari, that these guys thought that I would fit the bill, despite of people coming in telling them that Vivian Desena is a wooden-faced actor and he would not suit the character, he would not be able to pull it off. But I think it's the fate, it's the positivity in them which made them believe that no, we should go ahead with him and give him a chance. And God was kind enough to us that He gave us a chance, and we worked it out.
कलर्स से पिछले 1.5 साल से हम लोग जुड़े हुए हैं, और अभी आप 1 महीने का ब्रेक ले रहे हैं, फिर बहुत जल्दी कलर्स के रियलिटी शो खतरों का खिलाड़ी भी आने वाला है। जस्ट इन केस अगर आपको ऑफर आए तो आप उस तरह का शो करना चाहेंगे?
देखते हैं फ्यूचर में क्या होता है।
आप करना चाहेंगे?
वही मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, उस तब की तब सोचेंगे।
But you can't be so diplomatic. You should say after a vacation, what are you gonna do? People are eager to know कि हाँ आप क्या करने वाले हो?
Let me go on my vacation. Let me relax first. Let my mind get into a normal human being state. Let the fatigue get out of my body, and then probably I can think.
But is it a trauma for you because you need your mind to be in state?
What happens when you do a daily soap? It gets into your body, and obviously the long working hours, and thanks to Bombay traffic, where you spend 2.5 to 3 hours every day only in your car. So that reduces the time frame of relaxing and resting. And obviously, while we shoot, my shots are back to back because we all are having long scenes. So that's why. And obviously, who does not need a break? Every human being, on this planet Earth wants a break. So taking break के बाद, let's see.
You decided to move out of the show because you didn't want to play a father. What if you have to play a father again, because daily soaps take leaps? Someday you might have to play
I
father.
would not see. Someday is that day when let that day come first. And me playing a father, I would not be able to convince the audience that I am a father of a 25-year-old or a 20-year-old. Would I look? I don't think so. So when that day comes, we talk that day.
Okay.
अभी आप आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, जो पहले वाला फेज होता है वो हर इंसान को कुछ ना कुछ सिखा के जाता है, तो ये जो फेज है ये आपको क्या सीखते हैं?
Acting.
Good
A
answer.
lot of good scenes. A lot of. I have actually, to be very honest, I thought once upon a time that I cannot act at all. And by doing मधुबाला एक इश्क एक जुनून, मैंने दिन दर दिन रियलाइज किया कि it's getting into my blood और वो पैशन बनता चला गया है. अपने अंदर के एक्टर को बाहर निकाल के स्क्रीन पे लाने का मौका आई थिंक मुझे मधुबाला में मिला. And obviously the kind of scenes we've done in the show, the high drama, the romance, the action, so it gives you more than a motivation. तो इस शो ने मुझे एक्टिंग सिखाई.
और विक्टर जी के साथ वाली मस्ती बहुत मिस करेंगे.
Of course I'll miss that.
Abhinav, a question to you, अगर TRP गिरती तो are you gonna get him back?
पहले गिर जाने तो अभी हमने देखिए, मैंने पहले भी जैसे बोला कि टीआरपी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट होता है हर शो के परफॉर्मेंस को लेके, और कहीं ना कहीं ये लीप लेने का वो भी एक कारण है. जिस हाई पॉइंट पे मधुबाला एक टाइम पे था, आज स्टेज पे नहीं है, तो एक कोशिश है शो में दोबारा जान डालने की. सो वी फील दैट देयर इज डेफिनेटली पोटेंशियल in the brand. People love Madhubala. Yes, they have been associated with RK and Madhubala and Trishti for such a long time. I'm sure they'll miss it, but the kind of story which we are working on, the kind of characters we're trying to create, I'm sure people will appreciate it. And if people reject us, then they are the eventual judge, right? So we can't really complain. But we'll continue to evolve ourselves and see where it takes us.
But you did not get the answer yet. If it happens, then are you gonna get him back?
If the story demands, for sure. Okay. We are not removing Vivian because TRP is not.
Right.
Today, because Vivian is there, we still, so a character, yes, plays an important role for a TRP, but not just the character which plays an important role to get the TRP place. So yeah, maybe if the story demands to Vivian to come back, we will bring him back.
See, it's a collective effort by the story, by the execution, by the whole creative team working on it, by the whole channel team working on it. You decide a plot. That's why why only 2 people don't come and shoot the whole thing and telecast it. Why there's so many people who do different jobs and different aspects of the show. Yeah, they collectively come together and try to create something which is magical and which shows magic. Henceforth, we see the ratings if magic is created. So it's not a particular character which gets TRP. I would not believe in the fact saying that RK रहता है तो TRP रहती है. Sorry boss. It's not only RK. There are other characters, there are other people who are working day and night, putting in their blood and sweat, who are collectively working as hard as the actors. It's just that you're seeing actors because they're more exposed to the world through the medium of media. But other people who are not even known that okay, this A person works on a show or B person works on a show. You don't know the editor is, he's not slept for 3 days because he was editing 2 episodes. You don't know that.
But RK's chemistry with Madhubala has been appreciated the most.
Yeah.
So you are the soul of the movie.
So we
sorry,
don't
show
want
of
to
the
lose the
show.
essence of the show. The
Right.
DNA of the Madhubala remains as it is.
Right.
So we're going to be presenting you the edgy love story and edgy drama around on the show. So that's what really worked on the show. Fortunately it was Vivian and this team played these characters and they became star.
लेकिन अभी भी अगर ये बाहर जाएंगे तो मोस्टली द फैंस वुड आरकेज विवेन इज द हार्डली नेम बीन नोन बाय देम.
चलो मैं विविन के साथ एक नया शो लॉन्च करता हूँ, तुम मुझे टीआरपी में राइट करो बॉस.
आज प्लान आ गया.
हाँ
Anyone
नहीं हो
else?
सकता ना.
Right.
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि एक शो में बहुत कुछ लगता है बनाने के लिए. किरदार कौन से किरदार उसके साथ है. अक्षय कुमार डज नॉट गारंटी सक्सेस इन द बॉक्स ऑफिस ना. So if it's everything collectively which works around the show or the film for that matter of fact. So we are making that effort. I'm sure that we as a makers believe in the product and have all the potential to bring it back where it was before.